Dipu matipung along kedo ni hang long jona rong amikar Binod Rongphar lapen kadom BPS upo Jirsong Rongphar kitok chepaduksi History of Universe mate birth of solar system alothui kepaklang pon. Labang so alothui kidam tang Ingdeng ko rasir cap jet kawa F borjana hawara long katalona hutsi impu ponlo. La solo thui ke toke kidam tang surhini rain ko aninkan COVID-19 avuro ke sopen det piang kang lockdown ke do por hutsi television along Discovery Channel ke langpen kachini do na tengpen matha par sik ponsi class 6 pen class 10 kacharli ariso jang atuma phan ke joy kewer sai longji pu inut Ingdeng cap kacharli Jirsong Rongphar pen matha ponsi ke tok chepaduk ponlo athe universe puthak alothui ke long katura do koktiti lahai hue lama thadam pensi surhindi rain ko aninkan COVID-19 ke so por lockdown ka pado hut ar niwang setame neli apor chapana hok he pin pen methang diarrhea long neli khachinia teng pen tokponlo kebang journey setame la pusona lothui sonak thak neli kachinia teng pen lothui ke tokpon che phan akemangdo lapen bang so lothui ke tolong Karbiang Autonomous Council pen na chirap na chetu du nang jipusi Jirsong Rongphar chuning report
things that are present in the universe, but I am thinking that in my next book, in the coming future, I thought that I will make a book that will tell us about is there any life present other than art means, as we know that scientists and other researchers, they are researching on the other planets that could exist that life could exist. So I will just try to get some information about those, and I will try to present a small piece of book in the future.
Yeah. Presently, you are studying where?
Currently, I am studying in class 10 from Mount Clover School, Dipu, and I am pursuing my SEBA board examination, which is coming on, I think, March, and I'm preparing for that. That's it. I'm studying in class 10.
Yeah.
Tokbang Jirsong Rongphar kacharli bom adim lake Mount Calvary School Dipu along Ingdeng kepangdeng si Charlie bom lapen alang liarta lake ningkan kripon si dula alang li lapu anarta ki jumang bong pen setame lapuson alothui ke tokpen kepaklang thegabang ke churunangji lapen kebang journey setame alang liphan aning pathe dunangji
nili laso kitab Dr. Aprang first nili matha ke kitab ke je kuna kitab se ne lesson universe ma planets lahai puthak kuna sini kelong pama same nili ribomta long le derma nili mathalo je rason kalilo lahu enita pachuning ke lockdown do kokpa amane laso ahol sini tv long lang pensi enga charli pensi lesson that is diary solong nili the subs information lahai talk si charli lo enga lesson that halai puthak nili chini si raso kitab long pipine first topics lahai puthak nili tolo dolo enga phi leso topic abang nili doctor ne pena pidolo nili chithanong dolo la penili pota leso pothak topic de omat alangli mathalo je leso topic bang pachek proisi isi kitab ma isi alothui pamanji pasi body posi alangli claim populo amat lai a topic alangli A4 size paper lai long print si angalason picture lai haladak pabonsi leson that ala ke ding lai alang dukan paklang si leso kitab aputhak correct lo nang thanik lo kuna si chok chema kuna si chok ma engala so puthak singini litum leso kitab ko banai lo
lapuson arta ki chum hekpen lothui ke tok abangphu nangke klang ke litum Karbiang longara phan isi birta ke melo lapen lapuson abangphu phan aning kirung dun akenang sot bino News report Karbiang Long Live